Hello friends, you've probably heard of great maritime fortresses, but today I'm taking you to a place known as the Gibraltar of the East. This is a place where the massive waves of the Arabian Sea crash against walls that have never been conquered. Welcome to the guardian of the Konkan coast, the Vijaydurg Fort. Join me in today's video as we explore the incredible history of this legendary sea fort. Located in the Sindhudurg district of Maharashtra, India, Vijaydurg is one of the oldest sea forts in the region. It was originally built in 1205 by King Bhoj of the Shilahara dynasty. However, its golden era began when the great Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj captured it in 1653 and renamed it Vijaydurg, which literally means victory fort. What makes this fort legendary is its triple-layered fortification. During the time of Admiral Kanhoji Angre, this fort was the headquarters of the Maratha Navy, and it was so strong that the British, Dutch and Portuguese navies could never fully capture it. As you explore Vijaydurg, some features will absolutely blow your mind. First, the triple walls were designed so that even if an enemy breached the first layer, they would be trapped between the walls. But the biggest engineering marvel is hidden underwater. Yes, you heard that right. There is a 2.5-mile-long, 4 kilometers underwater stone wall built just below the surface. This wall was a secret trap designed to wreck large enemy ships that tried to sail too close to the fort. Surrounded by the sea on three sides, this fort was practically invisible and invincible. And here's a fun fact for the science lovers: Vijaydurg has a direct connection to outer space. On August 18, 1868, French astronomer Pierre Janssen discovered the element helium right here at this fort while observing a total solar eclipse. There is still a platform here known as the Sahib's Bench dedicated to this historic scientific discovery. If you're planning to visit, the best time is between September and March. You can reach here by taking a train to Kankavli station and then a scenic drive to the coast. While you're here, don't miss out on the stunning nearby beaches and the local Malwani seafood, which is famous for its unique spices. Vijaydurg isn't just a structure of stone, it's a living testament to the bravery and brilliant engineering of the past. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments.